We are pleased to show you the 2025 ProMaster. Ram ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, tires, rear all-season, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, front license plate bracket, tires, front all season. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.